Hello, future Grizzlies, and welcome to Oakland University's virtual admissions experience. In this presentation, we'll discuss the process to applying to Oakland, scholarships and affordability, and why you belong on our campus. Just to provide a brief snapshot of Oakland, we have just over 19,000 students as of fall 2019. Just to highlight the academic recognition, Oakland ranks second highest tier of research universities in the 2018 Carnegie classification. And our business school is one of the only 186 business schools worldwide to earn an AACSB international accreditation for both business and accounting programs. Speaking of academic programs, we have 140 undergraduate degrees to choose from and just over 130 graduate certificate programs. Students can have degrees within the College of Arts and Sciences, which also includes the School of Music, Theater, and Dance, the School of Business Administration, Education and Human Services, Engineering and Computer Science, Health Sciences, and the School of Nursing. For sample plans and requirements, please go to oakland.edu/careers. Now we're going to dive into our admissions experience, and you'll notice that the admissions process for Oakland University is quite different. And that's because our application is free all year long. You can either scan the QR code on your screen or go to oakland.edu/apply. The OU advantage to applying is that we have rolling admissions. So what that means is that we don't have a deadline for our application. We're ready whenever you are. We're also offering test optional admissions for GPAs of 2.5 and higher. And there are no enrollment fees associated with Oakland. First year applicants, there's a couple things you need to do. One, complete the online application. Then you want to submit your high school transcripts. And this can be sent through Naviance, Parchment, or through your school counselor. And then when you take your ACT or SAT, make sure to send us those scores for scholarship consideration. If you're thinking about transferring to Oakland, just know that Oakland's a very transfer-friendly school. Over 48% of our student population are transfer students. We also offer the chance for students to take up AP, IB, or CLEP credits at Oakland. For more information, you can go to oakland.edu/college-credit. For students interested in transferring to Oakland, our admissions criteria starts at a 2.5 GPA and 24 or more college credits. So that equals to at least one academic school year completed at your home institution. If you've earned fewer than 24 credits, admissions will be based on both college and high school records. For more information, you can go to oakland.edu/transfer. So what do you do after you're admitted? Because Oakland doesn't have any enrollment deposits, you want to make sure you activate your account. That's how we're going to know that you're interested in us. Activating your account will then allow you to accept any financial aid, sign up for orientation, and apply for housing. So you want to make sure you work with your advisor to complete that first step. Scholarships and affordability. You can now book a virtual appointment with us at oakland.edu financial services or email finservices@oakland.edu. We do have a freshman priority deadline for our automatic merit awards, and that's going to be March 1st. As you can see, our scholarship will start at a 3.0 GPA. For students that do not have a test just yet, you'll first be awarded that University Recognition Annual Award if you have at least a 3.0. But if you are going to take your ACT or SAT, make sure to submit those scores right away so then we can consider you for a higher scholarship. For more information, you can go to oakland.edu/scholarships. We also have the Center for Multicultural Initiatives that may award scholarships to students. So you want to go to oakland.edu/CMI for more information. Students can receive scholarships for up to $1,000 to $3,000 annually. The selection criteria is a 3.0 GPA and at least a 1060 on the SAT. Support services that go along with the Center for Multicultural Initiatives include peer mentoring, professional counseling, leadership development, diversity programs, collegiate communications, and academic mentor and career exploration. If you'd like to hear what the students like about CMI and learn a little bit more about their experiences with this office and their scholarships, please scan the QR code on your screen. Oakland does also offer institutional grants, and these are going to be based off your expected family contribution, or EFC, coming from the FAFSA. So you want to make sure you complete that right away. The award that you're currently looking at is the Golden Grizzlies Tuition Guarantee Award, which offers 100% tuition for up to 4 years after the EFC and after gift aid. Additional grants include the OU Golden Grant and the OU Housing Grant. Both awards individually will provide $20,000 for 4 years. That's $5,000 per year. You need at least a 3.0 GPA and an EFC of less than $8,000. Transfer students, we got you covered for scholarships as well. You want to make sure you apply by December 1st for winter start and August 1st for fall. For more information, go to oakland.edu/transfers. Now what you're looking at is the cost of attendance for Oakland. As you may have noticed, Oakland doesn't have any associated fees outside of tuition and housing. So that's going to give you the total cost that you see on your screen. One important factor about housing is that this includes your meal plan, and students also get free laundry and free parking on our campus. You can go to oakland.edu/financial services/cost for more information. As I said, Oakland doesn't have the typical university fees. So what that means is that our students have a more affordable experience because they can really just focus their energies on academic success. You belong here, and here's why. Oakland University offers personalized classroom experiences. Your average size classroom won't be over 33 students, and your average size lecture hall won't be more than 150. This gives you the chance to really engage and connect with your classmates and your faculty members. We have a thriving student life with over 300 student organizations, 18 Division I athletic teams, and over 19,000 students. For more information, go to oakland.edu/campuslife. We offer you connections beyond the classroom with over 3,400 students that can live on campus between 7 residence halls and 2 student apartment complexes. You can check out the videos now at oakland.edu/housing. Some points of pride. Oakland ranks the #1 safest public university in Michigan for the 3rd year in a row. And for 5 years straight, we uphold the title of #1 LGBT inclusive university in Michigan. And we also offer a variety of free services and initiatives, which include select health services, 2 separate counseling facilities, adult career coaching, tutoring on campus and in housing, accessibility accommodations, and college transition support. Here's just a list of our campus resources. I'm not going to go through the whole list because I want you to ask more questions with your advisor, and please come and visit us virtually or in person. But just know the campus resources and services that we offer are all free for our students. Oakland is really a family, and we're here to support you each step of the way. If you'd like to connect further with our admissions advisors, you're welcome to go to calendly.com/admapps to connect with us today. Lastly, we're very active on social media, and I know you are too. You can follow us today at OU Admissions on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for important dates, upcoming events, news, academic program information, and much more. Thank you for your interest in Oakland University. If you have any questions for us, please contact us in undergraduate admissions at 248-370-3360 or at visit@oakland.edu.